Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process of canceling your subscription in just 6 simple steps. Let's start by accessing your account settings. You'll find your account icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open Account and Billing. Once you're in the Settings area, look for the option labeled Pause or Delete Account and select it. Here you'll see a section for permanently deleting your account. Go ahead and click the Delete My Account button to proceed. Before finalizing, you'll need to complete a brief exit survey sharing your feedback about your experience. After submitting the survey, click the Permanently Delete Account button to move to the final confirmation step. To confirm this action, type the word delete in all caps, then hit Delete Your Account. Once you do this, your account will be permanently removed. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly how to cancel your subscription whenever you need to.